Hello. We've streamlined the process for monitoring which rules are applied on the page, and you can now customize your notification preferences for different rule types in the settings. I've created a modify response rule which will modify the autocomplete response for Airbnb search. I've also created another header modification rule which will remove the content security policy header from all the network requests. Let's open Airbnb website in a new tab. This handy widget will list down all the rules applied on the page as they get executed. It currently indicates that the remove CSP header rule has been applied. On searching a destination, the modify response rule, which modifies the autocomplete suggestions, has been applied. The widget has also added the response rule in applied rules list. You can also click on any rule in the widget. This will open the rule editor for the corresponding rule in a new tab. This allows you to quickly inspect what modification the rule is doing. The visibility of this widget can be changed by clicking on this settings button in the top bar. Within the global settings, you have the option to show widget for specific types of rules. The widget will then display exclusively those rule types that have been executed and selected by you. Currently, the widget is listing down all the rule types. Let's select Modify API Response under Specific Rule. The widget is not visible here because we have selected only the Modify Response rule type. But the extension icon has turned green, which indicates a rule is applied on the page. Under Executed Rules tab, we can see that the CSP headers rule is applied on this page. When a search is initiated, the Modify API Response rule takes effect, making the widget appear. This rule is also added to the list of rules that have been applied in the widget. You can also configure the widget visibility by clicking on this settings button in Widget. You can also disable the widget whenever you want if you don't want to see the widget on when any rule is applied. The widget is not visible for any case, but the rules will still be applied. You can check all the executed rules on a page under Executed Rules section in Extension pop-up. This widget can help in cases when an unexpected rule gets applied. The widget will show this rule up front and you update the rule configuration as per your requirements. There are also some rule modifications which do not reflect in browser DevTools or does not have any visible changes in UI. In such cases, the widget will let you know when such rules are applied.